Good morning, students. We are already been in the chapter real numbers. Today we are going to learn about some more topics in real numbers. What are these chapters? Rationalizing factor. That means rationalizing factor is nothing but if the product of two irrational numbers are rational, then each of the two is rationalizing factor of the other. That means the product of two irrational numbers, that means there are two irrational numbers, then each of the two is rational RF of the other. That means the process of rationalizing in the irrational number is said to be rationalizing. So, take for example, find RF of square root 2. That means square root 2 is an irrational number. How to make it a rational number? So, in this process, the exponential form of square root 2 is nothing but 2 power 1 by 2. So, this power should be in integer form. To make it is integer form, we should multiply this into the 2 power 1 by 2, then by the loss of exponent a power m into a power n, that gives a power m plus n, which gives 2 power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So, that 1 by 2 becomes 1 when this number is multiplied with this 2 power 1 by 2. Hence, this number is said to be RF of the given number. So, similarly, in reverse also, the given the required number is RF of that, and that also RF of the given number. So, hence root 2 is RF of square root 2. RF of a power 1 by n can be ascertained as a power n minus 1 by n, a power n minus 1 by n. Take for example, find RF of cube root 2. So, that can be written as 2 power 1 by 3. So, in order to make this into rational number, the RF of a general formula we have find that a power 1 RF of a power n by n is equals to a power n minus 1 by n. So, using that the RF of 2 power 1 by 3 can be written as 2 power 3 minus 1 by 3, 3 minus 1 by 3, that means 2 power 2 by 3. That 2 power 2 by 3 can be written as 2 square into whole power 1 by 3, that means 2 square means 4, 4 power 1 by 3. So, that is the RF of cube root 2, the cube root 2, the RF of cube root 2 equals to 4 power 1 by 3. That is, if cube root 2 is multiplied with 4 power 1 by 3, so it becomes a rational number. Find RF of fifth root of 3. So, fifth root of 3 it can be written as in exponential form 3 power 1 by 5. So, in general we have general formula a power n minus 1. Similar, by using this the RF of 3 power 1 by 5 can be find as 3 power 4 by 5. Using this formula, 3 power 4 by 5 can be written as 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 5. 3 power 4 means that is equals to 81. So, 81 whole power 1 by 5 is the RF of the given number. Similarly, RF of a plus square root of b is equal to a minus square root of b. Take for example, find the RF of 3 minus root 5. So, 3 minus root 5 is the RF equal to 3 plus root 5. Similarly, RF of square root of a plus square root of b is equal to square root of a minus b. Take for example, find RF of square root of 5 plus square root of 7. That can easily be find out as by simply changing the symbol plus as minus, we got the RF of the given problem. So, thank you.